trying to stay very positive through everything that's going on. But, I feel it on my chest, and days go on, DACA might be, taken off. I get really scared because I work at the school, and I come to school, and, I'm just afraid, am I gonna have to go look for a job somewhere else?
Undocumented students in LA are worried about their future after Donald Trump's election victory. Many are starting to seek legal advice.
I did speak to one of the lawyers on the side. I asked her what I should do regarding the application process, and they had mentioned, I should hold off on giving any kind of information, personal information of myself. So what I'm going to do is meet with them on a one-on-one basis, see what they can do for me, and then take it from there. So meet with the lawyers first.
LA has long been a sanctuary for people fearing deportation. But during his campaign, Trump pledged to deport all of the country's 11 million undocumented immigrants and threatened to withhold federal funds from so-called sanctuary cities. Free immigration workshops like these are seeking to provide advice and reassurance.
A lot of them have come forward and said, now the government, we filed, the government has my information, what can they do about it? Is this going to have an impact on my immigration case? If the event that they have a criminal conviction, am I going to get deported right away? It's a lot of uncertainty and fear that I'm sensing, and we're here to remind them, yes, Trump can say all these things and what he wants to do, and unfortunately the people that he's appointed on his transition team are people who are very much bark and bite. But immigration law, to change it, that still is something that belongs to Congress. That's there. They have to do that. So the fundamental immigration law won't change. There can be a shift in policy, but I've told them we're going to do whatever is necessary to ensure that we protect you, or that your rights are at least protected.
Messages of hope are cutting through at least some of the uncertainty felt by many illegal immigrants in the US right now.
Ignition, lift off.
If you don't represent women in politics,